And we're back live at Appalachian Power Park, bottom half of the third inning. Still no score. Scary good, .469 on base percentage last year. He'll await the 0-1 and wave at a second pitch curve. Nice action from Salter there, starting it out at the knees, just diving that one downward. Callaspo swinging right through it, so quickly on his heels, 0-2. Salter working quickly with the 0-2 pitch. And skied high and into foul territory. That'll bounce over near the concession stand. And we'll try the 0-2 once more. Nobody on, nobody out. So Alberto Callaspo once hit 300 during a major league season with the Royals. The 0-2 well outside, a ball and 2 strikes. Callaspo very businesslike in his approach, always locked in. Heading to the batting cage or going out to take ground balls even well before batting practice. As he awaits the 1-2 pitch and fouls it off down the left side once again. It'll bounce in the seats over near the fan. The gigantic glove who makes his return to Appalachian Power Park. He was here last year, saw him snag some ground balls over near the bullpen. Glad to see that massive piece of leather back in the seats. Good defensive 2-strike swing keeps Callaspo alive. Salter gets the sign from Kraus, shakes him off. Shakes him off again. Callaspo seen enough of that. He'll call time and step out. And the 1-2 is driven high and deep to right field. This is in the stratosphere. Carrying, and over the wall, a solo shot, Alberto Callaspo. He gave that one a ride. A moonshot leaves the ballpark, and the Charleston Dirty Birds take a 1-0 lead. Gorgeous swing there from the veteran. Unleashing the barrel through it. He'll stomp on home plate with his first homer of the year. That'll put a charge into Appalachian Power Park. And up now the designated hitter, Nick Longy. First pitch to the batter's box. Salter from the stretch, first pitch delivery. And is going to hit the outside corner. Great location there, working ahead. Alberto Callaspo, a 10-year Major League veteran. And the 0-1. Is thrown for a strike once again, 0-2. Callaspo playing with a few different organizations, had arguably his most notable years with the Royals and the Angels as he watches the 0-2 miss upstairs. Nobody on. Still no score. 1-2 the count to Callaspo. And the pitch is a ground ball down the third baseline. Callaspo rounds first and holds up there. Callaspo able to poke that one through. He drove a line drive shot in between Clemens and the second baseman, Javier Betancourt. And it's just what you teach young hitters. You get that outside fastball, don't try to pull it, just go for it. And he laces one into right field. Big hit there. It gives Gonzalez an opportunity So potentially score on something other than a hit. Up now the lefty Alberto Callaspo. As Law sets and delivers. Callaspo shoots one past a diving Aguilar into left. That'll score Gonzalez. Connor Justice sent around, and the throw's not in time. The Charleston Dirty Birds take a 2-run lead on the RBI single from Alberto Callaspo. Back-to-back opposite way hits gives Charleston a 2-run lead. Alberto Callaspo showing off his silky smooth hands there.